Hello, please visit the link about formulas to see more formula examples, and today we'll talk about this small octopus and query plus, or I called it query and lower dash, just to mark this formula as usual query but with some additional functionality. Let's see how you can use it. Here's your data sample, and for instance you want to do query with grouping, and you are lazy and don't want to make group by col1, col2 and so forth. You just want to add group by 1, 2 as you can do in MySQL language. So this query just do it for you. You can select column 1, column 2, then group by 1, 2, and function will do usual query for you, which will bring col1 and col2 here. Second notice is that you don't need these curly brackets anymore. So this query also do it for you. It creates an array from your data source, so you need just to give it columns and it will work. And here is some advanced sample of query. This is the same query, but it also has this complex column months plus 1, which will give us a month number, where January will be month number 1. This is why I added this plus 1, and also I added label in the end just to call it months, not this ugly generic name. So now we have months, name and sum, and also please notice this group by 1, 2, so you can shorten your query with this query lower dash. There is one more thing which I wanted to figure out how to do. I wanted also to add concat, so concatenation is not possible now in query. I wanted also to add something like concatenate, just to join. Conjunction is operation of adding one text and another, one text and column some another text and so forth. I wanted to add this functionality, and I guess this is also possible, but it's not that easy to implement, so I didn't figure out yet how to do it, so the formula won't be too ugly and too long, because I used regular expressions, so formula regex replace, regex extract, some formulas like this. I use them to make it possible to work like this. So I guess that's it, and hope you like the video.